Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Dropbox for media backup and team transfers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Dropbox for media backup and team transfers, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Dropbox website. If you don't have an account yet, select Sign Up to create one. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password, then press Enter to log into your account. Once logged in, locate the Download button on the homepage to install the Dropbox application. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. After the download completes, open the installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the installation. After installation, launch the Dropbox application on your computer. You may be prompted to sign in again. Use your account credentials to access your files. Once in the application, click on the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar. Select Preferences from the menu options that appear. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Backups tab. Here, you can enable the backup feature for your desktop, documents, and downloads. To backup media specifically, create a designated folder in your drag and drop your media files into this folder. You can also use the Upload Files option for additional uploads. To share your media with team members, right-click on the folder and select Share. Enter the email addresses of your team members in the dialog box. Add a message if desired, then click Send. Your team will now receive an invitation to access the folder. Ensure that the Team Folder feature is enabled if you're working within a team. From the Team Management section, you can invite members and assign permissions. Once everything is set, your media will back up automatically. You can confirm backup status by checking the Dropbox icon for green checkmarks. This signifies that the files are successfully synced and safely stored in the cloud. You're now ready to utilize Dropbox for your media backup and team transfers effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.